Hi friends. Welcome to PM Deals. Today, we are bringing you some amazing electric kitchen gadgets that will completely transform the way you cook. From time-saving essentials to space-saving must-haves, these gadgets will help you cook faster, smarter, and with less effort. Whether you are a pro in the kitchen or just getting started, these tools will make your cooking experience more fun and hassle-free than ever. So sit back, relax, and get ready to upgrade your kitchen game. Don't forget to subscribe and check out the links in the description below to grab your favorites. Now, let's jump right in. Pigeon Kessel Multi-Purpose Kettle. This multi-purpose kettle is made using high-quality borosilicate glass material which gives a compact and sturdy design. It is equipped with safety features with automatic cutoff when the water is boiled and ensures power savings. The ergonomically designed kettle comes with a temperature control button that lets you cook at different temperatures. It offers a touch handle that makes it safe to touch even when the kettle is hot and has a 360-degree swivel base for usage, convenience, and portability. The box contains a kettle. This product comes with standard brand warranty. Libra Multipurpose Roti Maker. This amazing automatic roti maker features a stainless steel body and non-stick heating plates with an 8.5-inch diameter to make fluffy, thin and large rotis. This energy-saving appliance features two indicator lamps, one for power supply and one for thermostat control. Its revolutionary anti-fall plate design allows you to prepare any liquid dough items such as omelettes, dosa, roti and many more. This roti maker is fitted with heat-resistant bakelite handles that make operating the appliance of breeze. Wipro Elato B E 201 4-in-1 multi-cooker 500-watt egg boiler. Multifunction appliances are ideally suited to steam vegetables and rice, boil up to 14 eggs in 3 modes, cook up to 2 poached eggs at a time and reheat steamed food. This egg boiler can cook 2 dishes simultaneously at a dual level to do parallel function at the same time. It comes with the touch of the button. You could boil eggs, which would automatically cut off once the cooking is done. The box contains the main unit, top cover, egg plate, measuring cup with piercing pin and user's guide. This product comes with standard brand warranty. Agaro Electric Chopper. This chopper runs on a powerful 400-watt copper winding motor that helps to chop dice mince and make delicious purees in no time. It can work on vegetables like onions and can even chop tougher items like nuts or dry fruits. The transparent plastic body has a capacity of 500 milliliters to hold the job vegetables intact. The detachable twin stainless steel blades can chop or dice in coarse, medium or fine. Also efficiently, the easy press down button and the anti-slip base facilitates fast and convenient operation like never before. Pigeon HealthiFry Manual Air Fryer. It is available in colors digital, black and digital, green. This air fryer has a stainless steel coating which is 100% food safe and it's durable and gives a long-lasting construction. This air fryer features touch control which has 8 presets and also has defrost function and timer function. This air fryer has a 360-degree high-speed air circulation which makes perfectly crispy and evenly cooked delicious snack. It features a digital display, non-stick basket, anti-slip feet and has a strong handle. The box contains a rotating handle, digital display, 8 press menus for easy cooking, a handle tool and a rotisserie fork. This product comes with standard brand warranty.